This here lot, I actually built a trail last year, but all that wood's back there, it goes clear to a canal, and we own clear back to the canal.
How big is the lot?
Acre and a half.
Acre and a half.
Wow.
But that wooded area over there is all part.
Oh,
And
you got a nice big magnolia.
So is this considered the back side or the front side?
Just the back side. That's not the house. The house is right over here.
So this is considered the
So
back
this lot
side.
wraps around the back to Hell's place here. Well, it's actually Kim's place over here.
Uh-huh. And can they encroach like they do at the Nampa property? Can they take road, like make the road bigger and
The
come?
lines here are so old. I'm moving the house over 4 feet when I lift it. So it's not, it's right now, it's right on the property line. They had to get some paperwork and easement stuff with Kim just so they could free up a line. So at one time they bought basically a foot because this house was over on a foot of their property.
Gotcha.
But when I raised it, it's going in this direction 4 feet. This used to be all close screen porch here. When I raised it, we're saving all this. And it's going to go up 8 feet, and there's going to be carport under all this.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to square this out, and then this will be all carport in the back under here.
Oh, so you have a driveway?
Right, that is my driveway right there.
Oh, okay.
But the house is coming over to about here, 4 foot over. There he is.
I like that old manual drill press you have out there.
This is you've seen all the pictures of the place.
Yeah.
This is obviously the galley kitchen.
Awesome. Oh, this is the washroom?
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
And everything's disarray for the fact when it gets raised, we just move stuff so it wouldn't get damaged.
Yeah.
I still have more stuff to take down, but I'm not messing with it until it starts going up. So
Which is probably next year.
I'm hoping still this year.
This year. Gotcha.
And there's a bathroom here.
Okay. So I see
Well,
a
yeah, that's what I was telling you. All this stuff has to get, once I get it leveled,
yeah.
then this section here, I got to redo it. And I'm going to raise leveling everything up.
Okay, happy you go to
I do like seeing the beams.
And the geese are here.
You keeping like the beam
Yeah.
look too?
It'll be a beam look. I'll probably wrap them
And we've seen
with more of a traditional,
otters and
more of a modern wood look.
Yeah. Try to find some reclaimed stuff.
We'll see what I come up with.
Yeah.
But you can see how much this way up high on this side, which is typically different. Usually it's the foundation that's down.
Yeah.
This here actually leans this direction.
Gotcha.
No, it's just a coat closet.
just a coat closet.
Cool.
This is about basically the only level room in the house.
Oh, this is electric, I see. Was it like a...
No, I converted it to gas.
Oh, you converted to gas. Gotcha. I just saw a plug going
The
to it.
plugs for the fan I put in.
And that was the old exhaust?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was meant for that spot. And this is cute.
Oh, those shutters are cool.
And this is what we call the sunroom. You're going to open up all the...
Turtles,
Yeah.
welcome.
But in the picture I showed you, this was the front porch. But this is, they raised and leveled this whole area. This is the only really level spot in the house.
That is so cool.
And it's a real portal.
A bird nest in it?
You have probably bird nested in it.
Yep. That's cool. Like they took it off a ship and everything.
The old tree, the sun, the one that was the Olympian,
Yeah.
he's the one that found that.
Oh, that's cool.
Remember that bar? The bar was in the basement at the house.
Oh, yeah, it was. Would you be keeping... I guess there is a step there. Are you going to level out the floor?
This whole floor is going to get ripped out, leveled to this one.
Okay.
That's when I do this upstairs too.
Yeah.
So basically, at one point, this whole part of the house is going to be shut off while I'm doing the remodel.
Yeah. Oh, hi, happy girl.
But there's no need to do it until I get the house raised, and then they'll put it on level beams, and then I had a level to those.
Yeah.
And some of it is just character of the old house, and I don't get it all out of it.
Yeah.
You don't want all the character out.
Oh, this. So cool.
So yeah, I opened that front door and it's got the view right down the deck. It's even really better when I get to ship it over Fall Street.
Oh yeah, because you're gonna have it kind of more in line.
More in line.
Yeah. That's cool. I was gonna ask, are you allowed to put in like a boat lift or anything like that?
Mm-hmm. You can do it, but anything you want around here, really, to be honest with you.
Nice. That'd be something that you.
They consider, because you're basically investing in the area, they don't. There's not much of a battle for the permit for this thing. There's nothing. They said they're glad to see somebody trying to save the house.
Oh yeah,
Because
it's a historical home.
It's one of the very original homes in the town.
Yeah.
Rosie stuff or Lily, whichever one's white. Knock it off.
Are you guys gonna replace these? Or?
So you've seen pictures of this.
Yes.
This is the fireplace that I'm putting in.
Yeah.
But I've already got. You probably saw the other mantle outside.
Okay.
I'm going to be switching this one out, and it's going to go up in the master bedroom. But the one that's outside, I'll show you.
Okay. Yeah, the one that's out on the blocks out there.
Yeah, it's laying here on the back porch.
Oh, the back porch. I thought it was the one out of the yard.
I'm ready to go.
No. I'll show you.
Okay. Davin. I'm being shown the house. Oh, that's cool. You shut off.
Mm-hmm. That's how it used to be when it was a private home, or when it was two homes.
Yeah.
So there was a door
One
here,
second.
and there was a door there, and then they had these folding doors here. And so the people that lived in the house, they could go through there, and the other couple would go up the stairs. But you can't really see where they put it back to its original design. It used to have two homes.
Two homes in one.
Originally, it was one home. Back in the day when they built the great big homes in the south.
Yeah.
And then somewhere like the 30s, they split it into two homes.
Gotcha.
And then the last guy came in here, the Ogletree, they lived here for 40 years. They put it back to a single, back to its original configuration.
And then we bought it.
Or Chicha bought it.
So here's the,
Hey, don't play with that, buddy. Corbin, don't be playing with that.
and of course that's the original of the house, that's a built-in.
Yeah.
With it.
Oh, silverware.
Yeah, let's keep that shut, buddy.
Is this built? Did you just say this is built-in?
No, the corner cabinet.
So you can't take it out. Let the house will fall, basically.
You remember Amuma Abersturi? Little lady?
Yeah,
My dad's mom?
I have a vague memory of
That's
that.
mirrors from her house.
Yeah.
It even has some of the original old. It's got new wiring in it. They use the old button.
Oh yeah.
That's just a
Oh.
right now it's my tool closet, but it's a way to get out of the house at one point.
Gotcha.
So down here is a way to get underneath it. That's before they started ripping the holes under the foundation.
Gotcha.
This one here, when I get it raised,
So this is no longer knob and tube.
huh?
No longer knob and tube wiring.
No, it's all updated wiring.
Awesome.
But this here, I'm going to put stairs down once I get the with the house raised.
Are you
So-
gonna keep it a door, or are you gonna have a? This is an open staircase.
Oh, it's going to be an open staircase to the underneath the house.
Yeah.
I'll do it in pressure treated wood just because of the moisture content. But this is a way to get we can park in the back and we just come in the house from underneath.
Oh yeah. That's so cool. And what year was this house again?
1880.
1880.
You can see all the.
Yeah.
This is the room Sherry and I are staying in right now. There'll be some changes here once it gets up a level, but this was not a priority right now.
Well, I can understand why. Look, you got the view of the river here. So this is the room you're staying in now. So in the future, it's gonna be a different one.
Yeah, that whole area, this whole room over here, the blue room,
Yeah.
is going to get the floor and everything's getting redone in it.
And that'll be the future master.
Yep. This is that what we basically it's considered kind of like a 4-bedroom right now.
Sorry, I just noticed.
Oh yeah.
I just noticed the. I heard the gas. You guys be gentle with stuff and stop touching stuff, please.
Like I said, I won't get all of it out of it. It's just an old house.
Yeah.
But this here was, I think, the kitchen back when this was separated.
Yeah.
I think this was the kitchen area. But this is where we threw one of the beds. Eventually, this roof is coming out. The lower roof here is coming off, and all that's going to be deck out there, and this is going to be access to the deck.
Yeah. That'd be awesome. Like, have a good walkway and yeah.
So when Curtis or Ryan and Jay were here, they stayed in this room over here. Sure. We were in this one.
Gotcha. That bed used to be in here?
No, the bed upstairs next to the bathroom at the cottage
Oh, okay.
was in here.
Gotcha, gotcha. Well, that's cool.
This is the other bathroom.
Not interesting.
Nice.
But this will be the master.
Why won't the stream?
There's no power.
There's no power in here, buddy.
So this
How
one house all has a heck of a view.
Yeah. So yeah, when it shifts over, yeah, you'll have a more clear view because of the bigger tree and stuff.
And so this whole area here is getting reconfigured. It's gonna be a great big master bedroom, bathroom.
Yeah. So which is
Walk-in closet. So when this is gonna get reconfigured as the master bathroom. And this
Bathroom.
wall's probably gonna shift back way. This is the way.
oh yeah, open up the bedroom too.
Yeah. If you saw that picture in the book,
Yeah.
saw a porch. This used to be a add-on porch.
Gotcha.
Wasn't part of the original house. Should take back. This part was the part of the original house. That part right back there was not.
That's cool. This is my parents' first property here, which is a small little cottage. Garage on the side. As you can see, it is lifted up on stilts. I want to say it's 6 foot lift on there. It's just last time hurricane came through. I can't remember. I think it was. I can't remember what the last hurricane that came through here, and the water level rose so much. They had fish, shrimp, crawdads all out through this area, even in the garage. And according to my dad, just it was a mess to clean up because of the rot and all that. Anyways, and to the colorful cottage. So when you first come in, you'll see downstairs you got the laundry, you got the dining area, a little bar top, fridge, and a kitchen. Then over here you have the full bath, small just walk-in shower. It's like a little sitting area, living room with TV, fireplace, storage underneath the stairs. And this was an add-on to the place, which they just pumped out the back a little bit, and is now another little living sitting area style. You see the deck out to the backyard, boys playing. And then upstairs, go up here. Nice little just incline. Nice big space. I believe this just had a single bed in there, but Dad wanted to be able to have guests here and stuff too, so he put 2 beds. And these bed frames he found here, and antiques on the East Coast compared to the West Coast. Oh, the price markup for antiques on the West Coast is holy cow. Same with the dresser and stuff like that. This is like the markup would be crazy. Anyways, this is the upstairs area. He has a little loft area for some more storage up there. Got AC upstairs and AC downstairs for that. But this was the master bathroom, or the main bathroom, the only bathroom in this place. Now you see, shower comes right, like it doesn't even go all the way up. But full tub shower, so if you do want to soak in here, you can. So yeah, it's just a nice, bright little area because there's a good amount of windows in here, and it's just a cute little cottage here in North Carolina. This house was slotted for demolition, and a lady ended up saving it from demolition. And then the property you saw in the earlier video where they're giving us the walkthrough of that place is this home right here. It is the T.L. Jones house, 1880 to 81. So I'm going to wrap up the video here in the cottage, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.